Morning students, welcome back to the social class. Students, in our today's class, we are starting chapter number 4 of history, the birth of a civilization. Students, the word civilization means a society where cities are developed. In today's class, we will discuss about the Indus Valley civilization, which is the oldest civilization of the world. Till the second decade of 20th century, means 20th century started from 1901. Historians were not aware that a developed civilization was flourishing in India in 2500 BC, and this civilization is known as Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization. Now, existence of Harappan civilization was discovered accidentally. Now, how it discovered accidentally? In 1856, two British engineers were constructing railway lines in Punjab, and while constructing railway lines, they came across the remains of an ancient city. And after some time, in 1921, Dayaram Sahni, who is an archaeologist, discovered remains of Harappa on the banks of river Ravi in Montgomery district of western Punjab, which is now situated in Pakistan. After some time, in 1922-23, R.D. Banerjee, who is an officer of Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, find remains of an ancient city in Mohenjo-daro on the river Indus in Larkana district of Sindh, which is situated in Pakistan. The remains of these two sites are the only sources of information about the Indus Valley civilization. Means these two sites means Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are the only sources of information about the Indus Valley civilization, which was flourished between 2500 BCE and 1500 BCE. Earlier, it was believed that civilization was confined to the river Indus and its tributaries, means it is limited to the river Indus and its tributaries. But later, it was discovered that many more cities were discovered away from the river in several parts of northern and western India. As the first cities were discovered on the banks of river Indus, means the first city is discovered near bank of river Indus and its tributaries. That is why this civilization came to be known as Indus Valley civilization. This civilization is also known as Harappan civilization, and the reason is that the first site to be discovered is Harappa, and other sites have also similar feature like the Harappa. This picture shows the Harappa civilization. In the Harappan civilization, houses were built in this form, drainage system was made in this form. This picture shows that how life was in Harappan civilization, how houses were made, how drainage system was made in that time period. Let's revise once again. Indus Valley civilization, also known as Harappan civilization, and the discovery of Harappan civilization was done accidentally. In 1856, two British engineers they were constructing railway lines in Punjab, and they came across the remains of an ancient city. After some time, in 1921, Dayaram Sahni, who was an archaeologist, discovered remains of Harappa on the banks of river Ravi in Montgomery district of western Punjab, which is situated in Pakistan. After some time, in 1922-23, R.D. Banerjee was an archaeological survey of India find remains of an ancient city in Mohenjo-daro on the river Indus, which is also situated in Ladkana district of Sindh in Pakistan. Now, remains of these two sites. Here, two sites means Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Remains of these two sites are the only sources of information about the Indus Valley civilization, which was flourished between 2500 BCE and 1500 BCE. Originally or earlier, it was believed that civilization was limited to the valley river Indus and its tributaries, but later it was discovered that many more cities were discovered away from the river in several parts of India. This civilization is also known as Indus Valley Civilization and also known as Harappan Civilization. It is all known as Harappan Civilization because the first site is discovered is Harappa. Okay, so students, here we completes our today's topic. We will continue our next topic in our next class. Thank you.